members of the National Assembly allied to the Jubilee Coalition have supported a bill that seeks to allow them to change the Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission report. However, CORD MPs have rejected the proposed amendments. KTN's Wilson Mburu has the details from Parliament.
The fate of the Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission report will now most likely be at the mercy of the members of Parliament. The legislators assumed the power to alter the report during the second reading debate of the TJRC Amendment Bill. The bill seeks to amend the TJRC Act of 2008, which would essentially clear the way for MPs to have an input on the final report.
Without this bill, then nobody, including this House, has an opportunity to do a comma. You cannot even change a comma. This bill is telling you, if you feel even there was a topographical error in that report, that voluminous report, then you can only do it if you adopt and support this bill.
We proposed as a committee, Mr. Speaker, that our consideration of this report should not allow the National Assembly to alter the content, the form, or the substance of the report, so that we do not use the liberty to debate to take over the work of the Commission and begin rewriting the report.
The TJRC has maintained that Parliament's role should be limited to ensuring that the report is fully implemented. These sentiments are shared by a section of the legislators who feel that Parliament may end up eroding it.
In Kenya, right from independence, we have a way and a tendency of sweeping things under the carpet and wishing them away and hoping that they will never affect us. If we are not careful as a country, we will go worse than the Egyptian way, Mr. Speaker. Let us be bold, let us be brave, let us deal with those historical issues once and for all.
President Uhuru Kenyatta formally received the TJRC report in June. It recommends prosecution of senior government officials and politicians for their involvement in the 2007 post-election violence, among other historical injustices. President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto are among those who have been adversely mentioned in the TJRC report that Parliament now seeks to have the right to make amendments to. The bill is now set to go to the committee stage before it is taken back to Parliament for debate. Wilson Mburu, KTN, Nairobi.